Hello dear friends, this is Amita Mishra and today I am going to show you how to create PowerPoint presentation for students project in a simple and effective manner. So for that, first of all, we will start up the PowerPoint presentation as Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. This is our PowerPoint slide. As per my habit, I will tell you once that you need to save your details first so it cannot be lost. So we will save it as in clicking on save to the desktop area. The by default name is a presentation 1, but we will do example and then save. So now my presentation is already saved. We will start our presentation. Basically here two parts are there. This is the big slide area and this is the slide pane. First of all, you need to click to add the title and subtitle both. So I have already created the type form of the details. I will just do open it so I can do copy paste from that. See, our first title is Introduction to the Computers, and same as our subtitle I will do here. This is our title and this is our subtitle. Similarly, if you want to add new slide, you need to go to the slide area, click on the slide and do enter. So new slide will be appear at the same time. Now simply, as we need to create a presentation on the introduction of a computer, so basically we will add the introduction from here. From here I will take the title of introduction and the things. So I do Ctrl C and Ctrl V for the titles and details. Again I will go to the new slide, add the new one, add the details from the type area. Human being and the computer is the second topic of our presentation. Now, similarly, I will add the next one. This is the difference between the computer and the human beings. So for that, I need to create one table. So, in our example slide, how we will create the table? We will click on the table 1, select the number of columns as in 2 and number of rows as in 5. So by default one table will be here. I will just copy this full table, text. Now I need to add the details of the types of the computers. So for that I will write types of computer. Here three types are already given as in desktop computer, laptop computer and palm top. Now one by one we will write about the desktop computer, laptop computer and a palm top one. So for that basically I will select the layout one by right clicking on the slide and select the two content area. So in one we will add the title desktop and in a second one we will add these details. Now we need to add one clip art for making our slide more attractive. I'll just click on a click icon. Then we will write desktop computer and it will go for a search. So whatever the computer you will like from this, you can select it and you can choose it. This is the desktop computer. Same as second one was laptop computer. Similarly we will do here the details of the laptop one. And here I will write laptop. So I will get the clip art of laptop computer. Next one is palm top. And again the same thing we will do. We'll type the content. And we will find the clip art for the palm top computer. And add the clip art there. Now at the end of the slide, we need always to add one thank you slide for our viewers. So I'll just take this, click the title area and we will write thank you. So this is the basic slide is already created. Now we need to add some of the designing aspect in our presentation. So for that what we will do, we will go to the design area. In that whatever the presentation way you will like, you will just click on that one by one. You can get the details. I will select this one for now. So now our simple PowerPoint presentation is ready. Go to the slideshow and you can see the slideshow of the presentation. Okay. If you want more effects in your PowerPoint presentation, please let me know in a comments area so I can create the more videos for that and we can learn more about it. So please like, share and subscribe our channel, expand the knowledge, and we'll meet soon. Bye, take care and have a nice day.